Oh no! The red light is on. We gotta dump this thing. It's time, girl. The toilet has to be dumped. Are you ready? Are you gonna do it? Can we flip for it?
Can you flip?
I can flip you. I think you get a quarter here.
I made a coin toss, not a backflip.
I can't backflip. I got a big butt. All right, heads, I'm dumping. Tails, she's dumping.
That didn't work so well.
Say.
You had to fish it out first.
Oh, it's a heads. I gotta do it. Oh no. All right, let's get ready to do it. All right, guys, it's that fateful day, and the girl has let me down, and I lost the toss. Damn it to hell. Let's do it. Look, it's a cassette potty. The coolest thing in the world to have. Let's talk about shit. All right, pull this green thing up. I gotta pull it out. Oh my God. Oh. Girl, what have you been doing? This is heavy. Oh, oh my God. All right, all right. All right, now you step on this thing right here, right? Let's get the crap out the way. Let's tilt this back just in case. You open this up, set it aside. Now turn away, turn away. Ah! Push the button. Ah! Ah! All right. Woo! All right. Now we gotta wash it a little. Ah!
You gotta grab the hose there, big boy.
Okay, cool. All right. I didn't know that. Technology, oh my God.
And that's just to rinse it out and clean it?
Yes. Oh. All right, let's get the chemicals back in there. Yeah. All right, this is the camper kiln that keeps your stuff from turning into bricks. We don't want no bricks around here, right? You see, I'm going to carefully measure this out. Woo! How about that? I measured it out. My way. Ah! All right, that's how it's done. That's about, what, 3 or 4 days of bathroom activity? Yeah. A lot of people will carry an extra cassette with them for such things. Take care of your poop, and your poop will take care of you. Bye-bye.